Welcome back again guys to my YouTube channel. This is again Jon's vlog. Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. So today I'm going to show you on how we're going to prepare chicken curry at home. And here are the things we need. 1 kilo chicken, potatoes, carrots, coconut milk, ginger, onions, garlic, pepper powder, curry powder, and our magic syrup, all in one seasoning granules. So first, we saute our garlic and onion. So our favorite one is the onion turns brown. That's where they are. Next, once our garlic turned brown or golden brown, you can now add your ginger. Add chicken and wait for 15 to 20 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can now add your fish sauce or a Tagalog patis to add flavor. Next is we will now add our magic syrup, granules seasonings, and our pepper powder. Alright, so after 5 minutes, we'll now add our carrots and potatoes. Now after 10 minutes, you can now add your curry powder. Then mix them. Now after 3 minutes, you can now finally add your coconut milk. And let it simmer for 10 minutes. And also we will add a nor beef cubes. And here is our final product for our chicken curry. And this video, of course, will not be complete without our ticketing kid patrol at home for taste test, Blake.
I'm Blake. I'm eating chicken curry today. Prepared to Jon's vlog and Tita Jujay.
Masarap ba?
Opo, masarap. Yummy, yummy.
And that's it for today guys. Thank you so much again sa inyong mga suporta dyan. This is again Jon's vlog. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, and the like button so you're always updated with all my video uploads. Have a good day. Goodbye.